Only on 13 News Now, a junior at Norfolk Academy beat out thousands of students from nearly 30 different countries, taking home a prestigious robotics award. Last weekend, Marissa Hibbert, or Kai as most people know her, received the Dean's List Award from the First Tech Challenge in St. Louis. Now, it stands for Inspiration and Recognition of Science and Technology. I met up with Kai to see how she's blazing a trail for STEM education.
It's a lot of parts and it's just a lot of things put together.
Marissa Hibbert, or as most people know her, Kai, is like most teenage girls. She gets a little giddy when she's talking about things she loves, but her love is for robots.
When I was 10, 12 years old, my dad, he's an engineer, he is a captain in the Navy, and he came back home from work one day and we sat down, we watched a couple of videos of some autonomous robots, and I was just sitting watching the TV and I was like, this is so cool, I want to do this.
And she is. Kai's a junior at Norfolk Academy and part of the Bulldog Robotics Team 8095. This past year, with 21 kids on the team, they built this.
So these are the aluminum grabbers that grab the wiffle balls and have them travel up this little track with 3D printed wheels. We had to have a bunch of balls be able to come up here and shoot out. Once we finally got it, we were so excited.
Kai's team reached the finals this past year at the State First Tech Challenge tournament, like this past one at Norfolk State University. She was chosen as one of 5 students in the state to compete for an award at the International First Championship for Robotics in St. Louis. Out of nearly 15,000 students from 33 countries, only 20 were chosen as winners of the First Dean's List Award. Kai was one of them.
I think what really made her distinctive was that she didn't just focus on the robot. First prefers not to be seen just as a robotics program, as a robotics competition, but as a program that really teaches kids how to do programs, how to run an engineering project.
And sure, being part of the robotics team is fun for Kai, but she also knows by doing so, she's showing the importance of science, technology, engineering, and math education.
Just the fact that I've gotten the chance to be a Dean's List winner, I want to make sure that I get this out to as many people as possible, especially minorities, especially girls, because we can do this.
And no matter what you may fear,
I was a little bit nervous that I wasn't going to be able to measure up.
Kai says don't be afraid to face it, because you never know what reward may be on the other side.
Just let go of that fear that you have. Be completely calm about it and just enjoy the process.